everyone, I am Marie and welcome to my kitchen this time. So I want to make a beautiful, delicious carrot cake and I thought why not share with you. Let's call it Sweet Friday. So I have the flour with some brown sugar and I will add baking soda and baking powder, some cinnamon, ginger, vanilla extract. I will be putting the recipe down below. I just mix everything together and then I will be adding the eggs and the oil. So after it's mixed, I will add the shredded carrots and the walnuts. So after it's all mixed up, I'm going to put it in a cake pan that is already sprayed with non-stick spray, and I also put in the bottom parchment paper and to be double safe, and in the oven it goes. Now it's out of the oven. I just run a knife just to loosen it up, and it's quite loose. I just leave it for about 5 minutes to cool off a little bit, and then I just take it out of the pan. And now it's time to make that delicious frosting. Okay, so what I have is butter, cream cheese, I have powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Easy. Make sure though that you add the frosting on the cake when the cake is absolutely cool. Otherwise, it will melt and it will not look as nice. And I don't know about the taste because I have never done that before. So be warned, just the whole cake have to be completely cool before you put this frosting on. So I hope that you bake this. If you do, please let me know what you think about the cake. And I wish you all a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful, sweet Friday and sweet weekend. Bless you all. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye. Be blessed.